We're attempting to make our own launch with a rocket, kind of doing some science. Newton's third law, every action has a reaction. So we made some little baking soda packets, put baking soda in them. We made our own little bottle rocket, and we're gonna dump vinegar in there. We tried it with our cork and there was a hole in it, so cork came right out and it didn't launch. So I put hot glue gun in the hole in the cork and I made a little edge around it to help seal it a little bit better. So this is take 2. Did 2 other times and the stupid cork keeps popping out and then leaking it all over the place. So we need a better cork. So we're gonna try the 4th time. We got that to work, but I couldn't get it to stand because one of the pencils fell off, so I couldn't get it to stand. And it kind of launched on me. So yeah, I smell like real pretty now. I smell like vinegar. Great. Toby went inside to get another pencil so we can try to make this thing stand. So we're gonna try attempt number 4. They only showed 3 pencils, but ours is not holding with 3, so I know you don't want a lot of weight.
No, they put them in a certain angle.
I know they don't want a lot of weight, but we're gonna do 4 pencils. Now we're gonna attempt it again. We dump about, we don't really measure it, we just dump about 2 inches. Maybe a little bit more. And we're gonna stick baking soda. Ooh, this one has a lot of baking soda. Lay down carefully this time so that...
You grab the camera on 3, 2, 1, go. Grab it. Ah!
Oh, the bubbles are building up! Okay, that time worked. We got it a little bit high. It was still leaking out the bottom when we turned it upside down.
Just barely.
I know, but I bet you if it wasn't leaking like that, we could get more pressure and it would go a lot higher than that.
Well, that was pretty high.
That was pretty cool, but I think we could do better. Do you guys want to do it again?
Yeah!
Okay, I put tape on the cork now to try to help it be a little bit in there a little bit better. A little more of a seal so it doesn't leak when we turn upside down. Nice, it's bubbling.
Mommy!
Here it goes. Oh, it's not leaking out of the bottom either, barely at all. It's barely leaking out of the bottom. I wonder if the cork's too tight now. It might be too tight now. Oh, I see movement. I think something's about to happen.
9, 8.
It's still fizzing really good in there.
5, 4.
Oh my gosh. We're just about to give up on that and it launched. The highest it's done, hit their roof, and went into their backyard. And they're gone during the day, so we just lost that rocket. Wow, that was awesome. That was the best one yet. Okay, so that last one was freaking awesome. This one we got a smaller water bottle. The cork should hold even tighter in it, so I'm gonna take off the tape from the cork. And everybody says they think the smaller one is gonna go higher, which makes sense, so we'll see. Bubbles are building. I see the bubbles.
Mom, don't look.
Oh,
That didn't work.
there goes our theory on that. That one didn't go far at all, which I wonder why. Why do you guys think that is? That didn't go high at all, and I think maybe because I took the tape off the cork and it wasn't sealed as tight, even though this is a smaller opening, so it was definitely still sealed. Tighter, I felt like. Oh man, did that hit you, Talia? So this fell over and the cork shot straight out, almost nailed Talia, because it all happened too fast. Last attempt, here we go. It's our final attempt, guys. Who thinks it will go super high?
Hi.
It's building up. It's building. Whoa!
It's a good thing I moved.
Okay, so that wasn't that impressive. So the most impressive one was the 2-liter. We put tape around it. It was sealed. Oh, okay, guys. You know what I think it is?
What?
So there's less air in these bottles. I kind of want to try one more time and put a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of baking soda, because we filled it up too much with vinegar, so there's going to be less room for pressure to build. I'm going to put only 1 inch of vinegar, and I only put 1 scoop of baking soda in there, because that way there's more space in the water bottle, which will create more pressure, which should launch it higher. So let's see if it works. Oh, count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, see, it's taking longer, which means it's building up more pressure. Oh, shoot. My hand was on it. Okay, that was just about to launch. It was taking a long time building up pressure, like the one that launched over the roof. But then it started to fall over, so I went to try to hold it because I thought it was going to fall over, and it launched right in my hand, so it popped up. So this is now our last attempt. We're going to do a small amount of vinegar, a small amount of baking soda, and hope that it stands up. It's bubbling. I hear pressure building. I think this is going to be high, guys. I think this is going to be high. It's building up pressure. Ah, I see it's about to launch. Woo! Over the fence again. All right. Definitely wasn't as high as the first one, which went clear up there, but this one went higher than the other two. So obviously we've learned the more air that's in the bottles, the more pressure builds up, right? Because you need more air. So it's able to push it even further. So, all right. That took about 6 attempts, and I'm covered in vinegar. I smell vinegar, and I've got baking soda all over my pants, but good thing I'm dressed like a scrounge anyways.